The Moon, Earth's only natural satellite, has long been a subject of fascination and intrigue for humanity. Its influence on our planet is profound, affecting the tides, stabilizing Earth's axial tilt, and contributing to the biological rhythms of numerous species. However, while the Moon currently orbits Earth at a safe distance, a hypothetical scenario where the Moon crashes into Earth would have catastrophic consequences. This article explores the potential outcomes of such an event. Gravitational disruption and initial impact. The Moon orbits Earth at an average distance of about 384,400 kilometers, 238,855 miles. If the Moon were to deviate from its orbit and head towards Earth, the initial effects would be noticed long before impact. The gravitational pull between the Earth and the Moon would increase dramatically, leading to extreme tidal effects. Ocean tides would become significantly more pronounced, resulting in widespread coastal flooding. As the Moon approached, its gravitational influence would also begin to affect Earth's crust, potentially triggering earthquakes and volcanic activity. The stress on tectonic plates could lead to unprecedented seismic events around the globe. The final descent. In the final hours before collision, the sight in the sky would be nothing short of apocalyptic. The Moon would appear to grow rapidly in size, eventually filling the sky. The gravitational forces would now be so strong that Earth's atmosphere would begin to show signs of disturbance, with violent winds and unpredictable weather patterns emerging. Impact and immediate aftermath. Upon impact, the energy released would be equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs detonating simultaneously. The collision would create an explosion so immense that it would vaporize large portions of the Moon and Earth's crust upon contact. A massive shockwave would radiate from the impact site at hypersonic speeds, flattening anything in its path. The impact would also eject an enormous amount of debris into space and into Earth's atmosphere. This debris would include molten rock and metal, which would rain back down on Earth over time, causing fires and contributing to a global temperature increase. Global firestorms and impact winter. The heat generated by the impact and the subsequent re-entry of ejected material would likely spark global firestorms. These fires would consume forests, cities, and any flammable material in their path, releasing vast amounts of smoke and soot into the atmosphere. This particulate matter in the atmosphere would block sunlight, leading to a dramatic drop in global temperatures, a phenomenon known as impact winter. Photosynthesis would become nearly impossible, leading to the collapse of ecosystems and massive food shortages. Atmospheric and climate turmoil. The composition of Earth's atmosphere would be altered significantly by the impact. It is likely that toxic gases released from the Earth's crust would contaminate the air, making it hazardous for any surviving life forms to breathe. Long-term climate change would ensue due to the altered atmospheric composition and the blocking of sunlight. The planet could experience extreme weather patterns and a prolonged period of global cooling that might last for years or even decades. Mass extinction. The most profound effect of a Moon-Earth collision would be a mass extinction event. The initial impact, followed by global firestorms, impact winter, and atmospheric contamination, would create conditions too extreme for most forms of life to survive. The loss of plant life would disrupt food chains, leading to the extinction of herbivores followed by their predators. Humanity's survival prospects. For humans, survival prospects in the wake of a Moon-Earth collision would be bleak. The destruction of infrastructure, loss of agricultural capability, and a hostile environment would make it extremely challenging for any survivors to sustain themselves. It is conceivable that small pockets of humans could survive if they had access to shelter and resources capable of withstanding the harsh conditions. While purely hypothetical, the scenario of the Moon crashing into Earth serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance within our solar system that allows life to thrive on our planet. Such an event, while astronomically unlikely, underscores the importance of understanding celestial mechanics and maintaining vigilance for any potential threats from space. The Moon's gentle tug from afar is a blessing that preserves the equilibrium of our world. A direct collision with it would mean an end to life as we know it on Earth.